So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an organic base cream at home. This organic base cream can be used to formulate lotions or creams for any skin type. For that purpose, you'll be needing a digital scale, a bowl, and a spatula. This is a measuring spoon. And I also have my formulation book where I have all my ingredients that I'll be needing for this formulation. And also I have converted the ingredients from percentages to gram, and all these are total to 200 grams. That's how you know that you're on track. Making of an organic base cream consists of water and oil based ingredients. This is 130 ml of distilled water, and I'll be setting it aside. There are other water-based ingredients that you can use. So in this bowl, I'll be measuring out the oil-based ingredients according to their quantity in the book. I'll be adding 20 grams of e-wax, 4 grams of stearic acid, 4 grams of cetyl alcohol, 18 grams of shea butter, 10 ml of sunflower oil, 10 ml of sandalwood oil. These ingredients were carefully chosen for this purpose because this is organic base cream. So right here, I have all the basic ingredients in this bowl, from the emulsifiers to the butter and the oils. I'll be melting these ingredients together, okay, through the double boiling method, and the water will also be heated to a certain temperature. So do well to get our advanced skincare training ebook and enroll for the 5 days intensive skincare training in order to start formulating and producing skincare products of choice. So this is the melted butter, the oils, and the emulsifiers, which is the active ingredients that binds the oil and the water together. They are pretty hot, and I'll be pouring in the water into the oil, and this is going to form an emulsion. So don't panic if you find it watery. Just go ahead and stir with a spatula for some minutes, then use the stick blender to mix properly. Like I said earlier, do not panic if the product is too watery. It's watery because the oils, the butters, and the water is still hot, okay? By the time it will start to get cold, it will start to solidify, and there is some ingredients that is very sensitive to heat. That is the antioxidant and the preservative. So right here they have all solidified, so I'll be going into the next stage, which is a cool down phase. This cool down phase, I'll be adding the vitamin E oil, which is the antioxidant and the preservative. So that's what I'm adding now. You cannot add it when the product is hot. So this is the cool down phase ingredients, because if you add it when it's hot, the product is hot, it's going to burn out the benefits and the nutrients in the ingredients you are adding. Okay, so now I'm going to give it a little stir, then I will blend it again with a stick blender. So beauties, the organic base cream is ready. It can be used just like this. It has moisturizing properties in it, and as a formulator, making your own base cream makes production easier and faster. From this base cream, you can make any lotion or cream of choice by just adding other active ingredients to make it more effective, either for skin whitening or skin treatment. If you want to see more contents from this channel, do well to subscribe, like, share, and interact with me in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye for now.